In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a table in Notion. If you're working with a table database in Notion, adjusting the width of your columns can make a big difference in how readable and organized everything looks. Whether you want to make room for longer text, shrink less important fields, or simply clean up the layout, the process is quick and easy once you know where to click. To get started, open the table database you want to resize. This should be the specific table where you want to adjust how the columns appear. Make sure you're in the table view so the column headers are visible across the top. Next, locate a column header. These are the labels at the top of each column. Move your cursor toward the edge of the header for the column you want to change. You'll want to hover carefully along the border between that column and the next one. As you move your cursor over the edge, watch for the resize cursor to appear. Once it changes, click and drag the column border either to the left or to the right. Dragging to the right will make the column wider, which is useful if the content is getting cut off. Dragging to the left will make it narrower, which can help save space and make your table easier to scan. When the column reaches the size you want, release the mouse. At that point, the new width will be applied. It's a simple adjustment, but it can really improve the overall layout of your table, especially if you're working with several types of content like text, tags, dates, or status fields. If needed, repeat the same process for any additional columns you want to adjust. You can go one by one and fine-tune the layout based on what each column is used for. A helpful tip here is to give wider space to columns with longer text and keep shorter fields, like checkboxes or select properties, more compact. Once you've resized the columns you need, take a moment to review the full table layout. Look across all the headers and confirm that each column is displayed at your preferred width. This final check helps make sure the table feels balanced and that the most important information is easy to read at a glance. And that's all it takes to resize a table in Notion. Thanks for watching.